Welcome. I'm Dawn Coker, the Elementary Math Curriculum Specialist for Cumberland County Schools. In this video, we're going to take a look at the three most important resources for teaching elementary mathematics. To access any of these resources, be sure that you are logged into your CCS Gmail account. Then go to Cumberland County's main webpage, scroll down to the bottom, and click CNI Google Site. Once you're here, click on Elementary Education. On this page, you can access any of the documents for any of the curriculum areas. Today, we'll be looking at the math documents. You can pick whatever grade level you need. I'll click on first grade for right now. Once you're on the first grade page, I have ordered all of the documents in order of importance, so you will want to start with the very top resource, and that is one of our most important resources. This is called the First Grade Unit Analysis. I have a copy of this opened up already. This gives you the pacing, the sequencing, the time spent on each of the standards, and it's clustered into the units. For example, right here, you can see that these are the standards that you would teach during first quarter, weeks 8 through 9. In addition to providing information about the standards, this resource also provides any essential questions, vocabulary, and any important tools that the teacher might need for teaching this standard. The next most important document would be the NC DPI, or North Carolina Department for Public Instruction, Unpacking Document. This document really goes into detail about what you need to teach for each of the standards. So if you read a standard and you're not sure what it means or it seems vague, go to this document. It tells you exactly what to teach. If it's in here, be sure to teach it because that's what will be assessed either on the K2 assessments or on the end of grade tests. If it's not in here, do not teach it. And this is the document that the DPI assessment department actually uses for writing the end of grade assessments. And again, I have a sample copy of what that looks like. This document lists the standard, and then it gives a lot of details. It gives sample student problems. It gives sample student and teacher language, any tools, any skills that you need to make sure you teach. The last document that you need to make sure that you're accessing is the Cumberland County Math Resource Guide. Again, I have a copy of this right here. This guide is broken down the same way that our unit analysis is broken down. So for weeks 8 through 9 of first quarter, here are all of the resources that we have found that are totally aligned to the standards for that quarter. In Cumberland County, we have two different math textbooks. We have Math Expressions and NC Math. Here are the resources in those textbooks aligned to the standards. And then we found other resources, for example, web tools, videos, any type of literature that ties in with those math standards. We have spent a lot of time developing this resource guide so that you will not need to spend time Googling, going to Teachers Pay Teachers or Pinterest, because I know that takes up a lot of teacher time. I hope you found this video to be useful. Have a great day.